There's a common term confusion when people start working with WordPress, and it's one that is often perpetuated by the community itself. So before we get going, I want to start you off right by explaining the differences between WordPress, WordPress.org, and WordPress.com. Let's start at the top. WordPress is the application we're going to be working with in this course. WordPress is free, open source, and can be downloaded and installed on any standard web server. In other words, to use WordPress as a self-hosted application, you need to have a domain name and also have or rent space on a web server. So while WordPress, the application, is free, hosting WordPress on the web will run you anywhere from $5 to $30 a month for a basic package. WordPress.org is the website from which you can download WordPress the application. This is also the place where you can download themes and plugins, find help in user forums, and find documentation about how to use and develop content for WordPress. WordPress.com is a cloud-hosted service that runs WordPress, where you can set up your own free blog or website without having to worry about web servers or updates and security. So if you're looking for a hassle-free way to get started blogging or to make a basic website and you don't worry about ads and you don't want full control, then WordPress.com is the simplest solution you can go with. The term confusion I mentioned earlier comes when people say they have a WordPress.org site. What they mean to say is that they have a self-hosted WordPress site. So now you know. The site you're going to create in this course is a self-hosted WordPress site. Choosing what option is right for you, a self-hosted WordPress site or one hosted in the cloud on WordPress.com, is a matter of mapping out the needs of your site and where you want to take it in the future. The great thing is that whichever decision you make, self-hosted or hosted on WordPress.com, does not have to be final. You can build a site on WordPress.com and then move it to a self-hosted solution down the road if need be, and you can also move in the opposite direction. WordPress is incredibly flexible in all aspects, even when it comes to how it's hosted. Deciding what option is best for you boils down to an assessment of what you need and what is available. But like I said, you can always switch around if you find that your original choice was not the right one. In this course, we'll be focusing on creating websites using WordPress as a self-hosted solution. If you're interested in creating a website or a blog on WordPress.com, check out the WordPress.com Essential Training course right here in the lynda.com library, hosted by yours truly.